I feel like this is going to be the start of a great friendship.
Of the day, now where do I begin?
Welcome to Katzenjammer, a show where we show you how to make food that not only tastes amazing, but makes you feel better when you have a hangover. Today we're going to be making something that's packed full of goodness that's sure to help you feel better when you do have a hangover.
Amazing! What are we making today?
Well, for our first escapade of the show, we're going to be making nachos!
Yes! Everybody loves nachos.
That's true. Let's cut to some sexy food porn shots, shall we?
So people think that nachos are pretty unhealthy, but when you've got your beans full of protein, avocado full of the good oils and fats, and you've got dairy-free cheese that's easy to digest, it's not so bad after all.
And here's what we're going to need for today. A bag of corn chips, some dairy-free cheese, a can of taco sauce, and a can of refried beans.
And for your guacamole, you want avocado, onion, lime, salt and pepper to seasoning, and if our directors were monsters, we'd have coriander.
Anyway, let's get this party started.
So what we want to do is we're going to head on over to the oven, put it on 180 Celsius, and then go to the stove with Demi and we're going to cook the beans.
Start off with your can of beans and a jar of taco sauce. Chuck that shit in a pot and stir it until it's warm and combined.
Okay, so while Demi is busy with the beans, we're going to get on to the guacamole. So you want to mash up your avocado, and we're going to add in some lime, some onion, salt and pepper. And now you could add garlic, but I brought someone home last night. And no one's going to want to kiss you after you've had a whole bunch of garlic. So we're going to leave it out today. And once this is all together, we're going to head on over and assemble it.
In a baking dish, spread the bean mixture and then layer on top with chips and cheese. And then you're going to put it in the oven for about 10 minutes until the cheese is melted. So the nachos have been in the oven for about 10 minutes, so it's time to take them out. Take them out. Take them out, what are you doing?
Anyway, time for some assembly. Now, these look and smell amazing and we are so ready to taste them, but first we're going to bring in our special hungover person.
Welcome, Lachlan. So Lachlan, we've made for you today some not so naughty nachos to try.
What we want you to do is have a big old taste, and then we want you to rate them out of 5 for how good they do taste and how successful you think they're going to be in making you feel less hungover. Dig in? Fun fact, there is a National Nacho Day in America.
Why don't we have one here?
I don't know.
When is it?
It's 6th of November.
Put it in your diary, kids. 6th of November. All right, Lachlan, how are these nachos making you feel? Mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, and sexually?
I think for taste, I give them a solid 4.5 out of 5. They're really nice. It's 5 out of 5. Really good. And I think with more, they might cure a hangover. So that's a solid 4.5, 5. Really good. Cure all. Nachos work. Really nice.
Wonderful.
Well, guys, that has been Not So Naughty Nachos.
Next time you and your friends are hungover, you know what you can make to feel better.
And thank you for joining us on Katzenjammer, and we'll see you next time. And remember,
Stay boozy.
You're the roast of my beef, the mash to my potato, the extra cheese on my burrito. You're the cream of the cream on my sweet little thing. You're the dish of the day, I wanna dig right in. Pumpkin pie, ice cream, chocolate brownie, malt milkshake, fried chicken, coated peanuts, fish jam, tin spam, taco pizza, mashed ham, meatloaf, minestrone in a can, collard green and aubergines, that's harco and runner beans.
I feel like this is going to be the start of a great friendship.